Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect Facebook Pixel to Shopify Store. Before we dive into the demonstration, please note that the link to Shopify is available in the description below. You can follow along by clicking on that link and signing into your Shopify account. Now let's get started. If your Pixel isn't set up or configured properly, you'll miss out on this vital data and ultimately waste money on ineffective ads. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the simplest method to correctly set up your Pixel in Shopify so you can get started quickly and start benefiting from improved ad performance. Here's how to do it. First of all, install the Facebook app on Shopify Start by navigating to the Apps section in your Shopify store. Click on Add Apps and search for the Facebook and Instagram app in the Shopify App Store. This app, officially developed by Meta, is the easiest way to integrate your store with Facebook. Then, connect your Facebook account. Once the app is installed, you'll be prompted to connect your Facebook business account. Make sure to select the business account that you use for your ads. You'll also need to choose the Facebook page associated with your store. Now, configure data sharing settings. Next, you'll choose how much data you want to share with Facebook. You have options ranging from conservative to maximum data sharing. More data gives Facebook's algorithm a better understanding of your customers and helps it find similar users. Keep in mind that your data sharing preferences should align with the privacy laws in your area, and you may need to update your store's privacy policy to reflect the type of data you're sharing. Then, create your Facebook Pixel. In this step, you'll create a new Facebook Pixel for your store. Once set up, this pixel will automatically track every action visitors take on your website, from browsing products to making purchases. It will also relay purchase amounts back to Facebook, helping you calculate the return on your ad spend. Now sync your product catalog. After the pixel is set up, Shopify will ask if you want to sync your product catalog with Facebook. This step is crucial for running dynamic product ads, which allow you to show users personalized ads featuring products they've interacted with on your store. Final step is to test the pixel. After completing the setup, it's important to ensure that your pixel is functioning properly. You can do this by going into Facebook's Events Manager and running test events. Add items to the cart, proceed to checkout, and see if the pixel tracks these actions in real time. This ensures that Facebook is correctly capturing the data it needs to optimize your ads. The pixel tracks key data points like add-to-cart events, initiated checkouts, and completed purchases, providing you with the data you need to improve your ads. By analyzing this data, Facebook's algorithm can help you retarget visitors who didn't complete a purchase, ensuring you don't lose potential customers. Facebook can create audiences that resemble your best customers, allowing you to reach more people who are likely to convert. With detailed tracking, you'll know exactly how much return you're getting on your ad spend, allowing you to refine your strategy and increase profitability. By following these steps, you'll have your Pixel set up and your Shopify store fully integrated with Facebook. This will allow you to run optimized, data-driven ads that deliver the best possible results for your store, ultimately increasing conversions and growing your business. If you want to try connecting Facebook Pixels to your Shopify account, feel free to use the link to Shopify provided in the description below.